Like, here we go. The largest tray. This is one that you wanted, right? You been asking, I want that big, beautiful tray. I want it to stack. This is an extraordinary set. This is another kind of the brand new today. With millions ordered in the past of sets.
Yes.
You went back to the drawing board and wanted to create what, Tara?
I wanted to create a way to take your entire meal to the table, to keep it organized, and again, to give you the versatility. So you're going to receive two, by the way, brand new color. Emerald.
Oh my heavens.
In our woodland.
So that's woodland emerald?
This is only the second time you're ever seeing it live on air.
Oh.
So I love that it's in 2 of our 1.5 quart bakers. Then, of course, we have our 3-quart rectangular baker, helper handles here on the side.
Amazing.
And then look at this beautiful deep dish tray that you can serve on, that you can use for nachos, that you can use for your turkey, but that also all 3 baking pieces fit right on, so that storage is a breeze. I would leave this out just like this, day in and day out.
High-end kitchen place. The tray is $59 day in, day out.
1,000%.
You've got it. Old world, floral lace, or woodland.
Yeah, you want to look at the colors?
So that's how you're going to do it. Here we go.
Let's do it.
They did not bring a lot of these in. This is another brand new item, one of 18 brand new items with that beautiful tray. So this is just one of the pieces you're getting in the old world.
Yeah, remember you're getting 2 of the 1.5 quart, the 3-quart baker, and that massive tray.
Right.
So here is your confetti. Next door is your blue. Then we have your red, and then we have your green. Those are your old world tried and true colors.
150 of each. You get that tray, largest tray ever.
Then, of course, we have floral lace. So here's that gorgeous inky cobalt blue. Here's your holiday red, your more wine-colored cranberry, and then that classic black and floral lace. We have never done anything like this configuration before.
4 options, 500 to go around.
Wow.
Here comes my favorite. This is the woodland.
Okay, the woodland. Down at the end where Rick is, we have that buttercream, followed by that slate blue, which is more of like a periwinkle. There's that gray. Here's that white.
Yeah.
And drum roll, please. I love the emerald and the white together. Look at that gorgeous emerald.
Please call our friends at Temp-tations. Make more
emerald.
There's 100 remaining. Never been off. It's most popular. You'll love loving
beautiful.
it. God, you know what? And by the way, that green and white.
I love
really
that.
Great.
Absolutely. Here, of course, we have your red doodle-doo, so that has your quadrifoil there, and then the sweet little rooster on the side. We have it in the red, the black, and then we also have the Pawfetti.
Blackmore Limited. Okay, back here.
Yes.
Go to QVC.com for all your choices. Practicality, big time.
Yeah.
Like, these are none of these are small pieces.
No, they're not.
Like, the small pieces is a big piece.
Is a 1.5 quart, right?
1.5 quart.
Yeah.
There's so much food you can put in a 1.5
So look what we did here. In that 3-quart baker, we did a beautiful rack of ribs.
Jeez.
This is that one dish cooking. Game day. We did wings. Here we did, like, you could do an artichoke dip. You could do a buffalo chicken dip. But look at the best part. It all sits on that tray. I bring it. It's like a tray all in one, a serving tray.
Yeah.
But that also can go in the oven up to 500 degrees.
Look at this big old tray. Look at the size of this bird on this tray.
This will
you
hold
can put
25
this
pounds.
in the oven if you want to.
Yes, you can.
Right?
And keep it nice and
warm.
warm.
The tray alone, the largest tray you've ever brought, everything fits on it.
Yep.
Yeah, this is practicality, and it's beautiful. And talk about oven to table.
Right.
There it is.
So there, of course, is the star of the show. Then you have in your 3-quart rectangle, you have that great stuffing. We've baked a bread here in our 1.5 quart. And if you've never baked a bread in Temp-tations before.
Hey guys, do we have another choice?
It turns out
where you can put everything? Because that woodland emerald just sold out completely. So if we have another choice of another color of everything you're getting, if not, we'll just use that. We're live here, so no problem.
Yeah, we can always make it happen.
But you can bake in it, right? You can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees. It is dishwasher safe. We have the sponges coming up to help you clean if you want to scrub a little bit, naturally non-stick. But this is another choice, another one in the woodland choice of what you are physically going to be getting here, and you're getting a lot. Brand new. I love that story. I love the stackability story.
Right.
We've mentioned it so many times. They all nest.
They all nest, which we love. So also, yeah, of course, if you wanted to go ahead and tuck this away, you can do that. If you wanted to leave the tray out, you can do that. Look how large this tray is. with those great helper handles.
That's a charcuterie tray.
Yes, and look at the
you
depth
need a board.
here.
You don't need a board. You need a place to put your stuff. There it is.
You're right. And kind of like that whole like sheet pan cooking, this is that way to do it. This is the largest serving platter that we've ever made. And of course,
can you bake cookies on this?
You certainly can.
Yeah.
It's your cookie sheet. It's your cutting board. It's your charcuterie board. I love that. And then of course, it's a great way to bring everything out to the table, hot, cold, all together, all in one. 3-quart, 2 1.5 quarts, and that large tray.
Guess what? We're busy on the phone. 700 people are shopping in the moment right now. This is the woodland.
Yes.
And this is the woodland color.
This
This
is the
yellow
buttercream.
is called the
Yes.
buttercream.
Yeah, so whether this
to go
is
around $12 on a credit card. Never been seen before. Expiring price. And this is another one. Only order we have. And that goes up at the end of the day.
And this is taking you back to basics of Temp-tations, right? You can prep right in here. You can take your KitchenAid hand mixer, mix right in here. You can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer. Here's your confetti. We're just showing you the 1.5 quart. There's your blue in Old World. Never have we done this configuration before. There's your red, there's your green. After 22 years, we're continuing to reinvent and make cooking and entertaining easier in your kitchen. There's your black floral lace, that's gonna have that carved detail, your cranberry, your red, and then look at that gorgeous inky cobalt blue beading that runs around the edges. Here's your woodland. Do we still have white? Love the fact that we haven't done many bakeware sets in white.
Here's
we
the
lost the
update
emerald.
on the white. 300 remaining.
That's it.
We lost that green, most popular, white all the way in that woodland.
And this is the only, or we won't be able to get back into this year.
Yeah.
Here's that gray, there's that slate blue.
Man.
And then of course we have the buttercream. And then down below we have Paffetti, we have your Doodle Doo, and we have that beautiful red as well. And showing you have the detail, the painting, all the way around 360 degrees. And there's that sweet little rooster.
We're going to wrap this up. As you're shopping right now, 1,000 people are on the line. It's 5 easy payments. Everything goes away at the end of the day in terms of 5 easy payments on Black Friday sale prices. This is one of the stars, no doubt about it. Okay, 88206.